I didn't realize it was a dog until I saw the crate around the outside of it, and then I really knew that it was a very, very serious situation. So I immediately, like I said, I dropped my fishing poles. I took off the layers of clothes that I had because I knew I was going to be getting in the water, and today was kind of a nasty cold day, so there weren't people around, and I knew if I called somebody, they wouldn't be here in time to really help the dog, in my opinion. So I just kind of acted on instinct and went in and pulled her back in.